Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Gault here. Today I'm going to talk about HIIT. What is it? You hear it sometimes in exercise routines, but what does HIIT actually mean? So we're going to get right to it right now. So before we get into HIIT, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you'll get notified for all my great videos that are coming out your way every Thursday. So let's get started. So what does HIIT actually mean? What does it stand for? It's actually an acronym for high intensity interval training. So what does that mean? It means that you're gonna get your blood going, you're gonna get your heart going, but you're gonna do it. It's not like you're gonna be running for like 2 or 3 hours at a time. It's that you're gonna be doing something that's very high intensity for about 30 seconds to 60 seconds depending, and you're gonna do that real quick, and then you're gonna have a break, and then you're gonna do it again, and you'll have a break, and you do it again. So just to let you know, there are some different names for HIIT that are out there. You might have heard this, plyometrics. It's a little bit of an older term, but it's a term that's basically what HIIT is. Jump training and functional fitness. It's basically what athletes will do in order to get into shape. So you're really moving the body, you're really getting the blood pumping, and you're doing it very quick. And I'm going to show you some moves right now. Okay, so let me show you some of my favorite moves. The first one is soccer run. So I'm going to back up a little bit so you can see it. So a soccer run, you're basically going to pretend that you're kicking a soccer ball up and down with both legs. So you're going to come out a little bit with your knees and lift your legs up so as if you're kicking a soccer ball. And you're going to do it about for like 30 seconds. And what I would suggest is you do it 3 times. So you take 30 seconds, take a break, do 30 seconds, take a break, 30 seconds. So I'm just going to show you the move, and it's like this. So you do that for about 30 seconds, you'll take a little bit of a break, do it again, and if you want to increase it, you can always increase it and go up to like 45 seconds or then 60 seconds. And the next one I'm going to do is single leg plyo jumps. Okay, so basically you're going to do one side for 15 seconds and one side on the other for 15 seconds. So it kind of goes like this. And then switch. So you're getting your foot off the ground. Your front foot actually gets off the ground too. So you're leaping off the ground. Okay, and again, you're going to do that for 15 seconds on one side, 15 seconds on the other side, and you'll do that 3 times with about a 15-second break in between. The next one is speed skaters. Sounds like it's going to look like what it sounds like. So you can see basically you're going to pretend you have skates on and you're speed skating. So you're going to go to the side. And you can go faster if you want, if you have the stamina. And what I would suggest is go a little slow first and see how it feels. And you do 3 sets of that, you're going to start getting winded. This is the 3rd exercise, so if you're doing them 3 times, you would have done 9 sets already. You're going to be a little winded. Next one I like to do is squat jumps. Really builds the quads. And squat jumps are like this. Again, you would do that for 30 seconds, 15-second break, do it again, and you do it for 3 times in total. The next one is airborne Heisman. I got this one off of P90X. The other ones I pretty much got off of Lift 4, both of them are beachbody.com workouts. I would suggest you go in there and look at those, or go to your local functional fitness gym where they're doing this. Okay. So the next one is going to be airborne Heisman, and it goes. You're going to just basically strike the Heisman pose, and you're going to go back and forth to do it. So it kind of goes like this. And if you look at P90X and you look at the way Tony does it, it's a lot more graceful than the way I do it. The two that I'm going to talk about next are my least favorite ones, but I do them anyway because they do the whole body good. So I'm going to just show you those. One is the dreaded burpee. I think most of us know about that. I'm going to show you anyway. So you're going to get down into a full plank. So you're going to go down, jump back into a full plank, jump back up, and then leap up in the air, and we're going to continue to do that. So that goes like this. So, if you do that, you're going to do it 3 times again, 30 seconds each. 15 seconds in, 15-second rest. You'll start to get tired after doing all these. And the last one is triple bear, which really is a bear on your quads. So I'm going to show you that from the side. But what you're going to do is you're going to get down on all fours. You're going to lift your knees just about 2 inches off the ground. You're not going to come any higher. And you're going to go in 3 different moments. You're going to move to the left, center, to the right, back to the center. You're going to keep doing that. So it kind of looks like this. So, that one I really feel. It's hard to stand up now. And you see I'm out of breath. So if you do those exercises, you do a set of 3 for each one, 15-second break. In between them, you're going to actually have a great workout. And you do that maybe 3 times a week. It should do a great job in your cardio and just overall body exercise. So, hopefully that works for you, works for me. And again, you want to check out some other great HIIT workouts. Go to your local functional fitness gym or some other classes at other gyms. Or you can go to beachbody.com, Lift 4, P90X, P90X2, P90X3, P90. There's an awful lot that have a HIIT component in there. 21-day fix is another one. So enjoy, and I'll talk to you next week. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.